6 na lang. Sa una lang malakas. Sa endgame, naku po. Parang Timberwolves din eh. Naku, pagkaya ko. Wala. Ayan. 7 point. Tira mo. Ah! Naku po.
Drew Holiday does this. Got a little arm there. But watch him slide his feet, poke the ball away.
Yun lang oh.
As well as anyone, what a big-time defensive play from Drew Holiday. We'll review this play for a potential clear path foul.
Yun no.
Potential clear path foul. Right now, the Celtics leading by 1 with 1.1 remaining.